vector A, vector B and vector C are the unit vectors such that vector A dot vector B is equal to 0, vector A dot vector C is equal to 0, and the angle between vector B and vector C is pi upon 6. We have to prove that vector A is equal to plus minus twice of the cross product for B and C. Okay. Now, vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 and vector A dot vector C is equal to 0. Now, by definition of scalar dot product, vector A is perpendicular to vector B and vector A is perpendicular to vector C, because vector A dot vector B is 0. Now this implies vector A is perpendicular to the plane of vector B and vector C. Now, vector A is a unit vector, therefore vector A is equal to plus minus cross product of B cross C upon magnitude of vector B cross vector C. Let this be 1. Now, magnitude of vector B cross vector C is equal to vector B vector C magnitude and sin theta. Now, we are having 1 times 1 because B and C are the unit vectors with sin pi by 6. This is equal to, or reason, magnitude of vector B is equal to magnitude of vector C is equal to 1. Now, and this is equal to 1 times 1 times is equal to 1 by 2. Now, vector A is equal to plus minus vector B cross vector C upon 1 upon 2 from 1, or vector A is equal to plus minus twice of cross product for B and C proved. So, this was which we have to prove.